World Labor Day, celebrated on May 1st each year, holds great significance globally. It originated as a day to commemorate the Haymarket Affair in Chicago in 1886, where workers protested for an 8-hour workday. On this day, workers advocate for better working conditions, fair wages, and labor rights. It serves as a reminder of the importance of labor rights and social justice in society. Many countries observe Labor Day with parades, rallies, and demonstrations, highlighting the unity and strength of the labor movement. It's a time to reflect on the historical struggles and achievements of workers in advancing their rights. The day also honors the role of organized labor in shaping societal norms and labor laws. Labor Day underscores the ongoing fight for workers' rights and equality in the workplace. It symbolizes solidarity among workers worldwide, fostering a sense of community and empowerment. Ultimately, Labor Day is a day to recognize and honor the dignity of labor, celebrating the contributions of workers to society.